Here we have the Xtrons Android 10 head unit specifically for the Vauxhall range, and it does have a custom boot image which you can select through the menu. As you can see, I got mine set to the Vauxhall image, but they do have a range of different logos you can select. It doesn't take long to boot up, it's quite snappy. As the unit does start, we'll go through some like basic settings, getting the head unit set up to how it should be. As you can see, the date and time sets up automatically. You can select either through GPS time update, or you can do it through the network if you put your phone to like a hotspot. It automatically launches straight onto the radio. As you can see, I've got mine all pre-set up. Once you do set them, it will then give you these to click, and it will put the names there, which is a nice touch. And then also, you do still get your infotainment display, where I know of most head units you do lose that function. And as you turn the volume up, that will display on the stereo itself, plus your entertainment system. Then also, a nice added bonus, when you replace your normal stock head unit, you normally lose your time function, where you can still control your time function through this head unit, because normally you've got to go on the settings either through the steering wheel or the head unit to do this. So if you press the home button and then swipe across, you've got car info. If you click on car info, you then click key set. So click key set. You then got the options as you would do on your original head unit. So if we click setting, that then brings up on your entertainment system there, look. So you press the arrow buttons on the head unit, and that allows you to go down through. So then you can press your OK button, you can then go and change your date and time. And to go back, you just simply press your arrows, press return, again, return. That'll take you back to your main entertainment. You then just simply press the home button, that'll take you out of that. You then got the option, you go into your settings, you got your car infotainment, you go on there, this is where you can change your boot image. Let the camera focus. There we go. So you then click common. This is a password on there in a minute when you go to do stuff. You go on the boot logo, it asks for a password. It is in the manual, but the password is 5678. You just press OK, and that will then launch up all your images, as I said at the beginning of the video, and you've got a whole selection of brands to go through. So you got all of these. On the Vauxhall, they actually give you two, because I know Vauxhall did change their logo. There we go. So you've got the newer Vauxhall logo, and that's the more original older Vauxhall logo. But I also believe you can search for a custom logo if you wish to upload your own. So we get out of that, press the back button. You go to that. You can then also go on to your main settings. And then you can go into, this is another good handy function, is car entertainment, display. You can change your key light colour. I've left it at the default, it does blend in well with the Vauxhall time, but you can go in there, you just click on there, and then you select what your key light colour is you want to be. Also, I've got the DashCam installed. You can buy that through the Xtrons website, and that's simply connected through USB. I've got that all running down through the pillar here. I took all the pillar out, clipped the wire all in behind the pillar. I took the glove box out, so I got it running all in behind the back of the glove box, in behind the back of the head unit, and then click that all back in, and then it's all nice and tidy, hid out the way. And then you may come across the function, you think, why isn't the camera working? You actually need to go onto the file manager. So there's a file manager built in on the head unit already. If you click on file manager, you will then see this. It says USB drive. That is actually the DashCam. So you click on USB drive, there's an app there. That is the DashCam app. You need to install that. As soon as you install that and you click open, you will then have the app there. It'll be either there, or if not, it'll put it here. I've chose to have it here to my quick access panel. You click on that, it will then launch your camera. So there you go, that's that all launched up. And if you do go on there, I've updated it because I believe that app is out of date, but if you connect your phone to your hotspot, pair it up to your stereo, you can then press that one, go to device settings, you can then scroll down and then go to there, about app, and then you can click new, check for new version. The same with also, you can update the firmware version on the actual DashCam itself. So you click on about device, that actually updates the firmware on the DashCam itself, but it won't update unless you've got a memory card in there. So you need to make sure you've got a memory card in there. The maximum memory card that will take is a 32 gig. So if you put a memory card in there, and then that will update, because you try it without it, it won't update. And then you've got your Talk Pro on there. You can then get that to run. You get the your OBD ports down there, so you get like a Bluetooth dongle. Plug that in there. You can then get all your functions up to show what your car's doing, or if you've got any faults. I believe that concludes our video for the day. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.